Hi kitty cats. So I know we just did a Boxycharm recently, but that was December's, and I've got January, so I'm gonna do it and get that done and over with. So here we go. Very pretty card. It tells us all we need to know. Ooh, Dragon Beauty. I've not tried anything from Dragon Beauty. This is a lip pencil with a sharpener. I don't really do lip pencils though. Although I can always use a sharpener because it can be used with eye pencils too. So, and I do use a lip pencil on occasion. So, I will try this one out. Let's see. Kind of a brown color, so even though it's a lip pencil, you could easily use that as an eye pencil. Just saying. And a cute little Dragon Beauty. Stop looking at my face. There we go. Cute. I like that. What else do we got here? We've got... Oh, and the Dragon Beauty stuff, how much is that? It's $18. That's not a bad price. And then we've got this. This is Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Revitalized Professional Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Okay, so it's some sort of eye cream. Professional strength. Apply twice daily directly over eye area. I actually might give this to my boyfriend. We'll see. Or I might keep it for myself. I'm not sure yet. Next product is Context. Oh, and that product, the eyelid and dark circle corrector, is $59. Jeez. This is Context Skin Matte Lipstick. This is a $20 item, which is reasonable for lipstick. I think. I use a lot of my lipsticks are cheaper than this, but I think it's a reasonable price. It's not like too over the top. It's not like some $30 lipstick. Oh, I really like the packaging. And nice color choice. It's not usually what I would like in color choices, but it's like brown, but not quite brown. I don't know. We'll see how it goes on my how it looks on my lips when we're all done. And then we got Laura Geller Spackle. Oh god, another primer. I so don't need another primer. Gonna hold on to this to put in like a future giveaway, I think, or something. I don't know. I've just got so many primers already. We'll see what I do with it. You never know what I'm gonna be up to. Okay, so this is Wander Beauty Wondrous Escape. I actually think I have like a smaller version of this from that they gave Ipsy or something. I don't know. I need scissors to really I'm just knocking everything over. Just like my cat. Okay. Very pretty packaging, which the other one I have is also really pretty. But this one, yeah, this one's different than the one I was talking about. I like that there are several matte colors in here, because that's one thing that I find upsetting a lot is eyeshadow palettes that only have like one matte or two mattes and then the rest are shimmers. This has 4 mattes in it. I really appreciate that. Like, this looks like a decent, like, everyday palette that could have a little sparkle of color if you wanted it to. But for most part, just like an everyday palette. Which everyday for me is different than, like, well, I would consider this to be other people's everyday palette. Me, I usually like color, always, but you never know, if I'm gonna do something professional, I suppose I would lay off the color. I probably wouldn't, but let's be real. But I do think that's a really cute eyeshadow palette, and I'm kind of excited about it. So the only thing I wasn't like that into was the primer. Like the eye stuff, I was just like, well, it's kind of expensive, but definitely something that I will end up using, or my boyfriend will end up using. The primer though, maybe my daughter might want it, or I might end up using it. It's just I've got an awful lot of primers right now, so doubtful that I will end up using it. I'll probably end up getting away. Yeah, I'm breaking these down to put them in the recycling. The eyeshadow palette was $42. That's about the going rate these days. Oh, there is a strange cat in my window. Oh, he's very handsome. Hello, handsome one. Like a gray cat. Anyways, you guys, I can't flip this the way I would my regular. Oh, I hate it when they look in here and they look like they want to come in, because I can't let them in because of my other cats. He has a collar though, so he belongs to somebody in the area. Like, he's not, and he definitely is fed well. He looks, oh, I think he just sprayed on the window. That was nice. Anyways, I'm not sure if he did or not. No, he didn't. It just, for a minute, it looked like that's what he was going to do, but he didn't do that. Okay. Anyways, this is great conversation. The Spackle Skin Primer was $32. That's really expensive for a primer. I know it's Laura Geller though, and Laura Geller makes really great products. So I don't know. I don't know what I think. But I definitely am going to use that eyeshadow palette. So I have to use the one from December too, because that's some looks coming up using December and January's Boxycharm boxes, plus all the stuff I got from Ulta recently. So we're definitely gonna do a video of new products. I have so many bags and bags of Ipsy backed up, me and my daughter do, that it's gonna end up being like 2 or 3 videos of Ipsy products. Like, it's really, really bad. We really need to do that, like, this week. Or at least film it this week. Plus I have my nail polish video coming up from, it's gonna be Cupcake Polish. I bought some nail polishes from them, and I want to see, like, how well they hold up. And yeah, so there's some videos coming up that you can look forward to. Otherwise than that, thanks for watching. Bye, kitty cats.